Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are on this beautiful. Welcome to another episode in Hacking Illustrator course. I really love having you around, guys. Thank you for joining in. It means the world to me, really. And today we're going to talk about a very interesting tool. It's the gradient tool. Uh, it's an addition to your toolbox or your another tool in your toolbox. So let's just get into it. It's very easy and this is going to be very quick. So yeah, we have an ellipse here. I'm gonna draw it. I'm gonna undo the stroke, la 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 la, and here we go. So up until this moment, we've been dealing with uniform colors, straight one color. Now I'm gonna have to add a new thing called a gradient. So I hit this thing here to have this degradation of colors from white to black, and basically I can change that from by going to this, then select it. We have the color picker, or we can double select it if we have a color selected color from the swatches panel. I don't, so I will be choosing it manually. Okay, then let's give it such a color. Here we go, and we have our circle here. So okay, basically what can I do is I can reverse the thing if I'm not happy, and the darker color from here and the lighter from here. If I hit reverse again, we'll have the inverse. We can control the angle, like I can use 0 to have it from here to here in a 0 angle. Come on. Okay. The very interesting thing is that I can either have it linear or radial. Radial, it goes from the center to the sides of the circle. I can hit reverse to have it reverse, and I can apply the same thing. I can also define the angle, decrease it this way. Sometimes I can even go to 100, sometimes I can even go to 10, and here we see that the angle affects this combination, so I'm gonna hit it to 0, and as you noticed, we have a very tight ellipse. I'm gonna hit it back to 200%, or let's make it 100 to have everything normal. Okay, so there's also a tool here called the gradient tool, G as a keyboard shortcut, and I can draw a line here. I'm gonna select it, then I'm gonna draw a line here to control the this whole thing. So basically I need to, for radial cases, I'm gonna hit it this way, and here we go. Okay, now I'm gonna hit it to linear to see how to use the gradient tool in linear cases. You can just need to draw a line, select it properly. Here it starts from the first color, this one, then go into the last color there. Okay, so as you've seen, I went to view, then show gradient annotator this way. So basically here we go, we have the color. I can increase it this way, I can decrease it, I can rotate the thing here, I can scale it and move it. So I can scale it, rotate it, and move it as well. So you may be wondering, what does this slider here do? Basically, it allows for more gray, for more darker color to join in, or for more lighter color. It's just where the colors start merging together. This is the sliders thing, or the slider's job. So yeah, okay. This was everything related to the gradient panel. We can even control, if I hit this thing, then I hit opacity and I give it 50%. We have a 50% opaque or 50% transparent color here, and I'm gonna show it to you immediately. So I'll be giving this color a solid color here. I'm gonna set it to the back, and as you noticed, this thing appears here because we have a transparent color this way. So yeah. Hello again, guys. So I gotta be honest right now. When I was trying to edit this episode, I realized I didn't do a very interesting part when it comes to the gradient panel. So sorry, guys. This is why I'm including this part. So it will be very quick. So basically, sometimes we need more than two colors in a single gradient. This is why we can increase a lot of colors when we're doing an ingredient. So here we go. I'm gonna select it. Then to add a gradient, you need just to click on this invisible line. Here we go. I can select it. Then let's give it a orangey color. I'm gonna add another one. Give it a red color. Okay, so yeah, here we go. We have this crazy rainbowish color gradient. Let's give it a green, maybe, or uh, what comes after orange? Yeah, whatever. So we have this crazy gradient here of the circle. This is not really a perfect example. I'm just showing you the tools. So basically, for example, if I want to copy this green color over here, I just need to click, then drag it while hitting on Alt, and here we go. We have the green color here, and it's applied in here. So now let's suppose I want to get rid of this yellow color. I just need to select it. I hit the this dustbin, or I just hit and drag to the bottom, and here we go, we got rid of it. Sorry. So yeah, this was the basically everything. Now everything related to the gradient tool. Thank you, guys. So this was everything related to the gradient panel. Thank you guys for joining in. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. See you in the next episode.